How to make a YouTube channel. So in order for you to create or to start creating your own YouTube channel, here's what you are going to do. You are going to have to log in first with your Gmail here in YouTube. After doing so, just go ahead and click your profile and you should be able to see here an option that says create a channel. Now just go ahead and click that one right there, and then you can go ahead and start naming your channel as well as upload a picture here. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to skip the uploading a picture part. I'm just going to go ahead and name my channel as something like this, just like that, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this as the handle as well. Now after doing so, just go ahead and click create channel. And there you go, we have successfully created channel. You can just go ahead and click this one right here and then open the YouTube Studio in order for you to be able to start uploading your own content. So just click this one right here and then go ahead and click the create button in order for you to upload your own content. And yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.